Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare squid masala, that is Kanavai Masala, for which we will need the following ingredients to serve approximately 2 people. 250 grams of squid or kanava cut into small pieces. 1 large onion, since the onions I am using is very small, I am using 2 of them, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Since my tomatoes are large, I am using 1.5 of them. Some fresh coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, that is jeera powder. First, in a pan I am going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and when it is hot I am going to add the 1 large onion or 2 small onions which I have cut into small pieces, and saute it for about a minute or 2 until it becomes soft and light brown in color, and mix it all together and fry it until the ginger and garlic paste loses its raw flavor. And then I'm going to add the 2 medium-sized tomatoes which I have chopped into small pieces, and again fry it for a minute until the moisture in the tomatoes is absorbed and it becomes dry and the oil starts bubbling. At this stage I am going to add all the spice powders, the chili powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, and the cumin powder, and toss it for just 5 seconds, and immediately I'm going to add the squid or kanava. Make sure you don't burn the masalas. I have cut the kanava into small cubes because the squid I am using is very large. If you are using tiny or small squid, you can cut them into rings, it will look good, but since it was very big I was not able to cut it into rounds. It was very big, so that's the reason I have cut into cubes. So you can cut it according to the size of the squid you get. And now mix the squid well along with the masalas. Make sure it gets coated well in the masala, and also add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt and saute it for about a minute. In that, the squid will get half cooked because prawns and squid will get cooked very easily and quickly. So I have been tossing this for about a minute, and now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water to this and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then squid will be completely cooked. So if you want a dry masala, this 1/4 cup of water will be ready. So today I am preparing a semi dry gravy. So I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water and allow it to come to a boil and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and squid masala is ready. You can see now it's completely cooked and shrinked, and the masala has also got very thick. Now we are in the final stage. Finally throw in the fresh coriander leaves and squid masala is ready. This is a good combination with any rice and curry, and it can be prepared very quickly. Try it and you will really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.